guys, welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do on the gold signal. Why I took the gold signal that bounced me back from my from the loss I used in wrapping up the year. I'm going to show you in this video right now, and what you can pick up and learn from my mistake. From my mistake, I did a video around that. So I asked to bounce back with a gold signal. Let me show you why I picked this gold signal, what I saw, my confidences, and everything. Let me show you guys. So after I had a huge loss, I took a break. That was a huge one on the 30th of December. Of course, the next day, 31st, I didn't see a good setup. So I didn't do anything. I took a break. First, it was holiday, and then I came back on the 2nd of January. Coming back, I saw this move. Let me show you very well. I saw this move on gold. Can you see? This is what higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, then lower low. Coming back to this last low here, which means that what market should react at this area of concentration. Am I talking to somebody? So immediately I did that, and of course my trend line is already drawn. Am I clear? Good. My trend line is already drawn. I look at this. I knew that what market should definitely react at this level. There should be a reaction, but to be more convinced of my movement, of my bias, I came down to check, is there possible reaction or not? Then I look sideways. I could see that what last time market was around here, there is a level of consolidation. Okay, good. So I look again. I see that what is trying to do the same thing. The past is repeating itself. Market came back, then rejected. This move alone, market took away this last low here, then came here, which shows what a strong short, a strong sellers. The market did this and this retested. This shape alone is what may I call candlestick languages, which I can interpret because I am used to some of these candlesticks chart pattern in the market. Once I see them, I will be able to know. I will decode and interpret them into the language they under into the language I understand. Am I talking to somebody? I should tell you guys what candlesticks speak the language, and you must be able to understand and decode those languages into your own terms. Am I talking to somebody? So I saw this. I already knew that what if I had wake up earlier, I woke up and I saw this move already happened, and I took away this psychology level here. Let me show you clearly. It broke out. I was like, oh my god, I wish I've got caught this earlier because when market came back here, it was not continue to it failed to continue to do a sell. It gave back high, high, lower high, equal. It did and what? It did a what we call equal eye here, showing that what there is speaking a sending a signal across that what buyers are gaining control. Buyers are what the equal. Then he took away this last eye here. Then breakout. That was where I knew. Wow, I didn't see all this. Why all this were happening? I was sleeping. So by the time I would wake up to trade London section, because I trade London and New York. Why sometimes I do Asian as well because I love JPY pair a lot, and I do Asian. So market has done of this. I wish I got my entry on while it was interesting. I just entered this. So I was already here when market was already doing this. I knew that market has broke this last eye here, mean showing the what a strong feelings for a massive buy. Am I talking to somebody? Then I saw this pattern here. I saw that what this was an head, this was a shoulder, this was a shoulder, again, this was a shoulder. So definitely what is telling me that what this is the only head we have here, and we know the what we call the reversal pattern that I do teach you guys. You should know that by now. Reversal pattern, one of the reversal pattern is what head and shoulder. Once market prints such, it means that what there is a reversal of such that is going into a reversal of trend. If it's were to be sell, it's going to come into be a long, a buy. If it's to be a buy, it's going to be a short. Am I talking? So something around the happen at this area of concentration, at this area, and I told you guys, and something must specifically speak something at your area, at your zone, so that you can be able to interpret and then decide on whether to shoot, execute or not. So something is happening around here. This is shoulder, another shoulder, and this is the only head we have. I told you guys that we can have as many shoulders as we can have up to 20 shoulders. So far it is one head, it is valid. Just like human being. If you see human being now that has two heads, who will you call the person? Hey, this is demon, no Jesus, demon, you run away. Isn't it? Because of what? You are used to seeing even the white, the black, everybody, you are all used to what seeing just one person that has what one head. Aha, one head and then two shoulders. That's it. You are used to seeing one head. But by the time you begin to see people that has 10 heads, you will run away from the person, isn't it? Definitely you have to run. You pick a race. You have to run because of what? Such is unusual. You've never seen such person before, such beings before. Definitely you will term them as what? Either demons or something else. So that's what happened here in the market. So this is what the fact is one head, it's not two heads, it's valid. You can have as many shoulders as you want. So I saw that shoulder, and I knew that what there is need to what there is need for what buyers are now in control, and then we need to look for a buy. Then I come closer. I came to my 30 minutes time frame. I saw that what there is a breakout from this our cycle level. This is a cycle level. It's a very good cycle level. A breakout on this cycle level, and this is the next cycle level. A breakout. Then I came to what 15 minutes time frame again to see that this breakout is it a fake out or a true breakout. And I saw that what just not just a fake out, it has actually been tested and it break out extensively. The market trying to rest at this point here. Then I knew what this is time to enter. At first, I was even waiting for it to come back to this next breakout again, so I can add more position. I can be more confident in lot, so I can have more. I can enjoy from year to year. So that's about 1,000 pips. I'll be so happy if you come back here. I'll just put my surplus below here and then push 1,000 pips instead of me catching just about 110 or one or so or yeah, I catching just about 110 or 200 pips. It should have been something about 1,000 pips. Then I further came to what to 5 minute time frame to see clearer what exactly is going on that place that I saw the market was already market was trying to rest. There's a rest on it, and I saw that what I do this line because I've taken it out. I do this line, yeah. I do this line. I can remember I do this line. I do this line. Yes, good. When I saw that what market moved up, come back, moves up, come back. I saw that this is what Barbie is trying to cut. If both below this, I'll be willing to short, briefly short, a scalp shot only, but I'll be waiting to long mightily. So I was waiting for it. I had a first entry somewhere around here. Yeah, I had it here. Yeah, I had the first entry somewhere around here. Market does all this, came back, goes, and came back. Immediately I saw this double bottom and I took away this and then mush and then we tested, I had more positions and I waited for it to do another what we call breakout. I do my line here again. Then I waited for it to do a breakout. Then the immediately market did its breakout. This with this, I had more position. I'm more confident that what this is continuous. This continuation is ready and to continue. The market will test it. I had more position here today. That's why I moved back, 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 back. How many pips? Let's measure it. That is from here to how many pips? That was about how many pips? How many pips? You can see. So I had more positions at that level. You can see that's quite crazy enough. Quite crazy enough. And then I look it up. But more importantly is that at this point, when market got I was waiting to come to this junction exactly here. But when it got here, immediately market was trying to close, trying to drop a wick. That wick shows that what sellers are pushing down. Immediately it got here, I opted out. At this point, I opted out actually. I opted out because I don't want to lose the little profit that I have made, and I know that what. Let me show you. Let me show you. I need that what there is a resistance. Let me show you guys. That's why you have to be careful when you're trading. Very smart when you're trading and know. Don't be too greedy. Just do what is you can see on the chart, and then the market will huge for you. You see that what there is a resistance at this point here. So market was already here for me. I opted out. I didn't even wait for the second one to come. I opted out around this point. After that, the market came back. So I knew that what it will react to this place. But if it had broken above mightily, strongly, I might be more convinced and I can have a little position. I can join the move again with just one position and see if it might push to this point. But right now, that the market is not coming back to this point now. So it's doing what it did at the first stage here shoulder, 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 and then shoulder about to move. But I'm not convinced here. I did a video about it for the next week. So I'm not convinced yet to enter for the buy yes because it might still come and drop a week and come and do a double bottom here. So that is for that. I hope you understand the reason why I took a long on gold yesterday and everybody make money and we all smile. I recovered my losses, my last year losses, and I was bounced back with good profit. So that was how it all went. And I hope you understand. If you have any questions, do not forget to drop it on this comment. I will definitely respond to you. And of course, let me know in your comment uh, the pair, your own favorite pair, the pair that actually took you, bring you into loss. And then you the pair you're able to recover for yourself. And let me know your favorite pair as well on the comment section, and then drop it in the comment section too. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I love you guys. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Peace out.